Hello, dear students and parents. The chapter which we are doing is measurement of length and motion, chapter number 5 of your science NCERT curiosity, class 6. Question number 1, it says that there are several the distances are given. Some length are given in column 1 of table 5.5, some units are given in column 2. Measure the length with the unit suitable for measuring those length. So the first one is distance between Delhi and Lucknow. So the answer is kilometer. Thickness of a coin, it is millimeter. How you will measure that? Length of a eraser, it is centimeter. Length of a school ground, it is meter. Question number 1. Now question number 2, true and false. The motion of a car moving in a straight road, it always moves straight, so it is example of linear motion. Yes, true. Any object which changes position with respect to a reference point, from any of a point, if you are changing the position with time, it is said to be motion. Yes, it is the motion. True. 1 kilometer is equal to 100 centimeter. No, false. Next, which of the following is not a standard unit of measuring length? You are measuring a length, how you by which method you can't, it is not used to measure the length. So the answer is hand span. You can use millimeter, you can use centimeter, you can use kilometer, but you can't use a hand span. Question number 3. Question number 4. In case of the question number 4, it is written over there that search for the different scale or measuring tape at your home and school. Find out the smallest value that can be measured using each of these scales. Record your observation in the tabular form. So you have to see the tape. One is 15 centimeter tape, which you get in the home, flexible tape in home, long tape, rolling tape in home, vernier caliper in school, and screw gauge in school. Least count means what is the smallest value. For the screw gauge it is 0.01, for vernier caliper 0.1 mm, and screw gauge also 0.01 mm. For long rolling tape it is 1 centimeter 1 inch. Flexible tape 1 mm 1 inch. 15 meter scale it is 1 mm. Question number 5. Suppose the distance between your home and your school is 1.5 kilometer. Express it in meters. 1.5 kilometer, you have to change it into meter. So how you will change that one into meter? Multiply by 1000. If you will multiply by 1000, it is 1500 meters. Now question number 6. In question number 6, it is saying that take a tumbler or a bottle, this bottle or any of tumbler, measure the length of the curved part of the base of the glass or bottle and record it. You have to tell the recording of that one also. Means recording means you have to tell what is the total measurement which you have taken. So measuring the length of the curved part of the base of the tumbler or the bottle using a flexible measuring tape, and record the value in centimeter or millimeter as per the tape. So you have to take a tape, turn that one, or you have to take a string, measure that, turn the end of the spring, then calculate the total value of that string with the help of a scale. Question number 7. Your friend, measure the height of your friend and express it in meters, centimeter and millimeter. In meter, write down the value, then centimeter, multiply it by 100, in millimeter, multiply it by 1000. So 1.45 multiplied by 100, 145, 1.45 multiplied by 1000, 1450 mm. Now you are given a coin, estimate how many coins are required to be placed one after the other lengthwise without leaving any gap between them to cover the whole length of the chosen side of a notebook. Verify your estimate by measuring the same side of the notebook and size of the coin using a 15 centimeter scale. So simply take any of a notebook. If the side of the notebook is 30 centimeter and the coin diameter is 2 centimeter, so you need total number of coin 15 coins you need. Verification, measure the actual length of the side of the notebook and the diameter of one coin, divide the total value, it will be exactly equal to the diameter of the total coins. Now moving to the next one, give 2 example of the linear, circular and oscillatory motion. Linear motion, when a car moving in a straight road and a person walking in a straight road. Circular motion, the motion of a fan blade or the motion of a merry-go-round, circular. Oscillatory, the swinging of a pendulum or the motion of a child on a swing. Now dear student, after this one we are having the next one. It is any of a observe the different objects around you. It is easier to express the length of some object in mm, some in centimeter, some in meter. Make a list of 3 objects each category and enter them in table number 5.6. So you have to take any of a scale, you have to take any of the object in this one, write any of a 3 object in mm. So thickness of a coin, thickness of a cardboard, diameter diameter of any of a small screw. So any small screw you can take that one, or a very small screw you can take that one in mm. Centimeter is length of a pencil, width of a book, height of a water bottle. And definitely when the next one we are saying that one has the meter. So meter, the length of the cloth, length of the table, length of the chair, length of any of a big side of a room. It is all in meter. Going to the next one, it is question number. Now the next one which is there, it is question number 11. What is this question number 11? It says that there is a roller coaster track is made of in the shape which is shown in figure 5.9. A ball starts moving from A to B, then from B to C, then from C to E, then from E to D, then from D to F. What are the motions? From A to B it is linear, B to C it is curved, C to D it is circular, D to E is circular, E to F it is linear. Now we are moving to the next one. That one is question number 12. Tasneem want to make a meter scale by herself. She considers the following material for it: plywood, paper, cloth, stretchable rubber, and steel. Which of these should she not use and why? So definitely, if you will see this one, plywood, paper, cloth, steel, they all are fixed, but stretchable rubber, it is not fixed. So Tasneem should not use a stretchable rubber because it can change its length when stretched, leading to an inaccurate measurement. Plywood, cloth, paper, steel are some suitable for measuring as they maintain consistent length. They do not change their length. Last question. Think, design and develop a card game on conversion of unit of length to play with your friend. Create card with different length and corresponding unit: mm, centimeter, m, kilometer. Each card can have a length in 1 unit and player must match it with the equivalent in another unit. For example, one card with 100 centimeter would match the 1 meter. So you can distribute the card also. You can make 10 set of one card, 10 set of another card. Same, give these 10 set to your friend, and when you will give to your friend, then match with your card, either they are same or not. So in this way you can do these questions. Thank you.